Are you feeling a little bit sedentary lately? Do you find yourself struggling to get off the couch and get moving? Well, fear not. In this video, we're going to show you how to make exercise a fun part of your daily routine. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. It can be enjoyable, social, and even exhilarating. And the benefits of regular exercise go beyond just physical health. It can also improve your mental health, boost your mood, and help you feel more energized throughout the day. But first things first. How do you actually make exercise a part of your daily routine? How do you get motivated to get moving? Well, one great way is to set goals and track your progress. Maybe you want to run a 5K or do 20 push-ups in a row. Whatever your goal is, write it down, and track your progress over time. Seeing your improvement can be a great motivator. Another way to stay motivated is to find an exercise buddy. Working out with a friend can make exercise more fun and social. And if you know someone is counting on you to show up, you're more likely to stick to your routine. And don't be afraid to mix it up. There are so many different types of exercise out there, from dancing to hiking to swimming to weightlifting. Trying new things can help keep exercise interesting and prevent boredom. It's also important to find an exercise routine that works for you. Maybe you prefer to exercise in the morning or at night, or maybe you like to do it alone or in a group. Experiment to find what works best for you. And don't forget about recovery. Proper rest, nutrition, and hydration are just as important as exercise itself. Make sure to give your body the time it needs to recover and recharge after a tough workout. When it comes to exercise, consistency is key. Try to make exercise a part of your daily routine, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. This can help establish a habit and make exercise feel like a natural part of your day. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a great way to get a quick and effective workout in a short amount of time. By combining short bursts of high-intensity exercise with periods of rest, you can burn more calories and improve your cardiovascular health. Yoga is another great option for those looking to improve flexibility, strength, and mindfulness. With so many different types of yoga to choose from, there's something for everyone. Spin classes have gained a lot of popularity in recent years, and for good reason. They are a fun and high-energy way to get a great cardio workout. Plus, the music and atmosphere can make it feel like a party on a bike. If you're more of an outdoor person, hiking is a great way to get some exercise while enjoying nature. Hiking can also be a great way to challenge yourself and improve your endurance. Swimming is another great low-impact exercise option that is easy on the joints. It can also be a fun way to cool off on a hot day and improve your overall fitness. And if you're looking for a workout that will get your heart rate up and your adrenaline pumping, boxing may be the way to go. It can be a great way to relieve stress and improve your coordination. Group fitness classes can also be a great way to make exercise more fun and social. Whether it's a Zumba class or a boot camp, working out with a group can help keep you motivated and accountable. Remember, it's important to listen to your body and not push yourself too hard. Incorporating stretching and rest days into your routine can help prevent injury and keep you feeling your best. And finally, don't forget to celebrate your accomplishments. Whether it's running a mile without stopping or hitting a new personal best on your deadlift, take the time to acknowledge your hard work and feel proud of yourself. Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. By finding activities that you enjoy and making them a regular part of your routine, you can make exercise a fun and fulfilling part of your day. So go out there, get moving, and have fun. Your body and mind will thank you.